Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use conditional formatting in Excel. This powerful feature allows you to automatically apply specific formatting to cells based on criteria you define. For instance, you can highlight all sales figures above $1,000 in green or mark overdue tasks in red. It's an excellent way to make your data visually intuitive and quickly spot important information without manual review. We will cover the essential steps to get you started. Let's begin by applying some basic highlight cell rules. First, select the range of cells you wish to format. Then, navigate to the Conditional Formatting button on the Home tab, usually found in the Styles group. From there, choose Highlight Cells rules. You can easily set rules like highlighting all numbers greater than 50 or all text containing a specific word. Excel offers several built-in formatting options, or you can customize your own. Beyond simple highlights, conditional formatting offers powerful visual tools like data bars, color scales, and icon sets. Data bars provide a visual representation of cell values, similar to a minute-chart within each cell. Color scales apply a gradient, for example, from red for low values to green for high values, offering a quick visual spectrum. Icon sets, such as arrows or traffic lights, categorize your data into distinct groups, making trends immediately apparent. As you apply more conditional formatting, managing your rules becomes essential. The Manage Rules option allows you to see all rules applied to your selection or worksheet. Here, you can easily edit, delete, or change the order of rules. For instance, if you have two overlapping rules, their order determines which one takes precedence. If you need to start fresh, the Clear Rules option lets you remove all formatting from a selected range or the entire sheet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.